Welcome back. So in this video, we'll clear the doubts what is Power Query and what is Power Pivot, why you should use Power Query and Power Pivot. What is the main difference here? Let us see that. So there are many reasons. I've just jotted down few of them. Let us see that. Number one, that's the Power Query and the Power Pivot. Power Query is used when you want to clean the data. When you get an unclean data, you should go through Power Query only. Whereas Power Pivot is mostly used for data modeling, connecting different data sources, creating relations and working on charts and reports. So data modeling can be done here. Which language or which functions are used in Power Query? We use M functions. M stands for mashup. Mashup means cleanup. Cleanup is a tool named as Power Query. Here in Power Pivot, we use data analysis expression, that is DAX functions. There are approximately 300 DAX functions. Here we have approximately 800 M functions. Most of the functions, if you see, there are common functions like date, text, number. These are some common functions also there. Now, whenever possible, go for this Power Pivot. If you have a same function both the places, go for Power Pivot DAX functions. Why? The reason is given on the third place. Let us see. So it requires more memory for M functions, whereas it requires less memory. Lightweight functions these are DAX functions. So lightweight function does not occupy much space, and this would be more faster as compared to Power Query. Okay. So these are some few comparisons, and I hope you have understood. That's all for this video.